Okay, she was about to start typing. Your bun is lopsided, girl.
Should I hit it now? Pull up at the strip, fuck up a check, show 'em how I live, yeah.
Oh, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Now today's video is brought to you by Toyotress. They were kind of sending me some locks to review for you guys. This is my first time working with this brand and I'm actually pretty excited because my girl Mary Kay Bella works with them a lot and I just love her videos featuring their hair. So here we are trying them out for ourselves and y'all, I'm excited. Okay, like I said, the hair that I'm using is from Toyotress and it is their Toceana curly locks. I got it in 18 inches in the color 1B and it retails for $7.99 a pack. Now they did send me 8 packs of the hair plus a latch hook and I did not use this latch hook at all to install these locks. Okay, listen, I think I did something, y'all. I think I did something. Okay, now for today's install I will be trying a method that I saw on Beauty with Ty. She called it her lazy girl ponytail method, and y'all, it's so crazy that I saw that video because I wasn't looking for that actual style. I was just searching on YouTube and I was actually talking to Ken about this joint and I told him what I wanted and what I was trying to look for, and literally when I refreshed my YouTube page her video popped up and I was like, oh, okay, Frank. That's who I call my little agent that I feel like be listening to my phone. Frank was listening to my phone and got me to her video real quick. So thanks, Frank. So I watched her video and I was like, I think that's gonna be a good style for me, especially because I have thin hair in the middle of my crown and I don't want to put no tension whatsoever on my hair, but I also did not want to do any rubber bands or braiding or cornrow method or illusion box braids. I didn't want to do any of that either. So I had to figure out how I was going to come up with a method for myself to get my locks to stay in my head, but also look like locks without that little crochet knot, and it only took me 45 minutes. Okay, so under an hour to get my ponytail like this. I don't know if anyone else has done this. This is just something that I kind of figured out for myself. So if you want to see exactly how I do this, make sure you stay tuned. Today is also Sip and Slay. Your girl's sipping on her water today because I had to focus. I had to hone in on my creativity and I could not have any type of deviation from that joint. Okay, so giddy up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All those second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
Okay, so I already got the back of my hair done as well as my left side, so now I need to do my right side and the top. Again, I'm leaving all this hair out because I don't want to put any tension on my hair. So this is how my hair is looking now. My hair loss and thinning is mainly in the middle of my crown, so that's why I don't want to put any type of tension on that. Now I don't know if I'm the first person to do this method. I did look up a lot of videos for easy fast faux locks, and a lot of them were the crochet, the rubber band, the the illusion box braids, things like that. I have done those on my channel already, but I wanted something that was was a lot easier as well as less tension and didn't require a whole bunch of prep work. This is the method that popped into my head when I was trying to, you know, make this work and make sure that the locks were gonna stay in my hair. No stress, I'm pulling on them, they're not coming out, okay? So let me show you how I did the other ones. Now, if you wanna add gel to your parting space or, you know, make your parting space neater or slicker or whatever else, you can definitely use some edge control for that. I didn't want mine to be perfect because obviously these look a little bit more distressed. You don't even need a latch hook for this because this hair is super soft, easy to manage. If you need to spread the hair apart, you can definitely just unravel that. The latch hook hole that you have on these joints is easy to, you know, open up. So I'm using my Blue Magic hair grease. This is the Super Short Grow, and I'm putting that just on my hair just to make sure it's nicely hydrated. So obviously I'm making a ponytail, so it's going back this way. So I'm going to split the hair with the part going towards the ponytail that I want, okay? Place the hair on the back portion. You can do it on the top half or the back, and then I'm going to hold this strand here, pull the other strand with my hand, and then I'm going to twist these two pieces of hair, meaning my hair, together 2 times, okay? So I'm going to twist it once, maybe 3 times. Just make sure you're holding this one though. 2 and 3, okay? So I twisted it 3 times, and then I'm going to take the bottom strand and pull it over here like this, okay? Pull it over the actual crochet, and then have my second strand come under, twist it again, 1, 2. On the second one, I'm going to take the bottom strand, loop it back over like that, and I think that's pretty good. So then I'm going to take some edge control, just a little teeny bit, put it on my hair, holding the crochet, and all I'm doing is wrapping my hair around the crochet like this. The crochet is not moving because I don't want it to unravel or nothing like that. So I'm just wrapping my hair around the crochet like that. Tighten it down. And there we go. So when I pull this joint up, it looks like that. Nothing crazy. Simple. It's not going nowhere. When I pull on it, look at that. Not going nowhere. It's in there. That's it. Okay? I want to pull these up in the back. Okay, so that's how that's looking, like that. Now you can put it on the top or the bottom. I usually just favor the top just because I feel like it's easier. So slide it down on there. Okay, hold that. I'm gonna twist this side 3 times. Make sure I pull it so it's tight, or as tight as it's gonna get. Okay, I think that was 3. Take the top twist, or take the top strand, flip it over the crochet, take the bottom one under the crochet, twist it twice. The top strand goes over the crochet, bottom strand goes under the crochet, twist it 2 more times again. Okay, and then the crochet is twisted this way, so I'm going to twist my hair around the same way. I'm just going to make sure it's all, you know, flattened out, put some edge control on it. And then again, holding the crochet, I'm just going to twist my hair around it, not twisting the crochet. Press it together at the end. Press, press, press. If you need to tighten the crochet, you just tighten it up like that. No tension on my scalp. I like that. I think we may have to go in and add some right here. We'll see, we'll see. 3 times. Over, under, 2 times, over, under, 2 times. I think we're good. Make sure I twist it towards the crochet, going this way. No tension on my scalp, no tension on my head. Perfect. So yeah, we can definitely fill in some spots right there. So I'm gonna do that.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna
order to get the fullness that I want, I'm gonna take a little scrunchie here. I'm gonna crochet some of the locks onto the band. Over the band, pull the lock through the hole. Okay, so this is what that looks like. I'm just gonna pop that around this ponytail. Just one time. Now, of course, you can add more if you like. And now I'm gonna take some of the locks from the back and tie up my ponytail.
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Okay, so what we thinking about the final look, y'all? I decided to go ahead and pin mine up into like a little bun situation. I probably should have added more little crochets back here, but you know, again, I didn't plan on doing the bun, but now that I got the bun, I'm happy. But I can do that later. Y'all can't see that right now, okay? So there is no tension on my scalp. There's no tension on the middle of my hair. I know a lot of you guys were worried in my last Crochet Locks video. You were saying like, okay, that's why your hair's falling off because you're cornrowing your hair like that, or you're putting rubber bands in your hair. Sis, you must be new. So obviously you don't know that I don't do this all the time. I'm just trying styles out to see if they can work on my hair. And I will say the last locks that I tried were pretty heavy once you start moving them around because I filled my entire head up. With this lazy girl method, I'm here for that. Because I didn't use plaits, I used twists. This is an easy install and uninstall. Okay, very simple. No tension on my scalp, no tension on my roots, no tension on my hair follicles. I am here for this install. Okay, go me. Uh-oh, my joint's falling over. We can't be lopsided now. We can't be lopsided. I know Brenda was waiting in the wings, okay? She was about to start typing. Your bun is lopsided. Girl. let me fix it. Give me a chance. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Toyotress for sending me these locks. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs for these locks down below, so you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching